This is the fourth video of challenge.
Where is my laptop?
We're gonna have AC, my baby sister. She's so cute. Say hi, baby. What the fuck?
Where's my laptop?
Where's my laptop? By the way, guys, we don't bukas mag-ano tayo ng nachaw video. So we're gonna do this.
Sa school na lang may
Oh! So we're gonna nakaw this sticker. Sticker challenge. Sticker challenge is eat a sticker within 1 millimeter. Tara!
1 millimeter.
Why guys, ito 1 millimeter. Uy, bobo ka na, kain muna. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, 1 millimeter. Oh. Uy, ako muna.
Hindi ko kumain. Oh.
Hi guys, look at my phone. iPhone 16.
iPhone 16, perfect.
iPhone 16 na to.
Dingo.
Makulit.
So, we're gonna eat a nata dairy. Lechi.
Halos lahat na lang kinakain ko.
We don't have ulam, pero you have the rest.
Eh, di ka kumain kanin?
Kumain ako.
Sabi mo wala kang ulam.
Ikaw na rin.
Narinig kaya kita.
I have vampire
Pakita mo
teeth. I have vampire teeth because I am a vampire.
Asan yung vampire teeth mo? Ako. Oh, wala man.
She's a normal teether because
Easy gatal.
this is my baby girl, my sister's daughter. What?
Ganyan ka magbukas?
So we're gonna share with the baby. Easy! Here comes the baby. Easy! Easy, lachaw! Easy!
Easy jelly ace.
Ayaw niya. Easy!
Yaka diri ko.
Easy! Easy! She's gonna come here. Easy, dito ka. Up ka dito. She's gonna have to eat with us because this is her lachaw.
Ayan na siya. Andyan na si Easy, guys. Kakain na si Easy ng
Here it goes!
jelly ace yan na.
Lumukbang siya.
Lumukbang si Easy. May gana sumusok. Nagawin siya. Nagawin siya, guys. Nagawin siya.
Ikaw yun eh!
Hindi kanina. Nagawin siya.
Pero, Easy! Sasakalin ko sila dyan. Easy! Look! Easy! Look!